Welcome back to Silicophilic. Have you recently started seeing a strange notification on your Windows 11 PC asking you to change your time zone? The notification says something like your time zone is incorrect and suggests fixing it. The confusing part is that when you open the settings and check manually, everything is already correct. I noticed this issue myself, and after checking the system settings, I found that Windows was showing this alert even when there was nothing wrong with the time zone. In this video, I will explain why this happens and show you some steps you can try to reduce or troubleshoot this issue while Microsoft works on a permanent fix. Why this Windows 11 time zones notification appears. Normally, Windows automatically detects your time zone using your location settings, internet connection, and system configuration. But recently, some Windows 11 users started receiving incorrect time zone suggestions. The notification gives options like accept or ignore. If you select accept, Windows opens date and time settings where you can manually select the correct time zone. However, many users noticed that the correct time zone was already selected. The annoying part is that the notification can return again even after choosing either option. First, verify your time zone manually. Before trying any fixes, confirm that Windows is actually using the correct settings. Open Settings, go to Time and Language, then Date and Time. Now check Time Zone. Make sure the selected time zone matches your actual location. For example, users in India should see Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi. After confirming, restart your PC and check if the notification appears again. Turn off automatic time zone detection. Sometimes Windows keeps triggering the notification because automatic detection is repeatedly checking your location. Open Settings, then select Time and Language, then Date and Time. Look for Set Time Zone automatically. Turn it off. Now manually select your time zone correctly. Also set time zone, set time automatically. Off and on once to refresh the settings. Restart your computer. Sync Windows time manually. A time synchronization problem can sometimes make Windows think your region settings are incorrect. Go to Settings, then Time and Language, then Date and Time. Find Synchronize your clock. Click Sync now. Wait for Windows to complete the synchronization. Now check if the notification appears again. Restart Windows Time Service. Windows has a background service responsible for maintaining system time. Press Windows key plus R. Type this in the Run command box and press Enter. Find Windows Time, right-click it, select Restart. If the service is stopped, right-click and select Start. Now restart your PC. Check Location Service. Windows may use location services to determine your time zone. Open Settings, then Privacy and Security. Select Location. Make sure location services are enabled. If location access is disabled, Windows may repeatedly ask you to confirm the time zone. Reset date and time settings. If the settings are stuck, resetting them can help. Open Settings, then Time and Language, then Date and Time. Turn off Set Time automatically, Set Time Zone automatically. Wait a few seconds, turn them back on. Restart Windows. Install pending Windows updates. If this issue is caused by a Windows bug, Microsoft may already be working on a fix. Open Settings, then head to Windows Update. Click Check for updates. Install any available updates. Restart your PC after installation. So if Windows 11 keeps showing a wrong time zone notification even though your settings are correct, don't worry. Your system may not actually have a time zone problem. Check your settings, refresh Windows time services, and keep your system updated. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.